Hey, it's Andy Bricks and welcome to another review. It's got a little one this time, set from 1993, racing pickup truck. It's from the Lego Town theme and the sub-themes racing. Came with 81 pieces and one minifigure. Let's just have a quick look at him. Not too much to this little chap. Maybe I'll truck out so focus is better. So just a standard fare for the day. No back printing. I guess the S stands for sport, maybe. Just no double face prints, as we know, for this period of time. Not quite the classic smile, I think. I think it's been updated by this point. It's not quite the same as the first ones from the 78s to, I'm not sure when, maybe 90. They might have changed it as they changed the casting for the head by putting that in there instead of the solid stud top. Our truck is also cute. Doors on either side. Bit of a jet engine on the top, made up of a few parts. Printed piece up there. Some printed stars at the back for a bit of a tail fin, and printed stars on the front. Where are we? So the top opens up. That's how we get our man in there. Fits in there nice and snugly, and he's ready to go. It's got a bit of a rake on it, tilted forward slightly. Not much to see on the bottom. I think it's made up of all plates and bricks. There's this is possibly the largest pieces. Like, it doesn't have a car frame like some of them do. There's a couple of red lights at the back for tail lights, translucent red, and cups for goblets, I think they call them, for the smokestacks, and yeah, that's about it for this little girl. It's very, very, very cute. I love it. On with the instructions. I don't have the box, but this was our instruction. It's a pamphlet. Which, let's see if I can do this. So, just a few steps. There's the build for the engine, jet engine-y thing, and jet engine-y thing. The jet engine. Yes. And then I always, these instructions seem to, oh there they go. Sometimes I have a little bit of trouble getting them back together. So that's our review for that one. Set 1991. Gorgeous. I just fell in love with this when I saw it. Brought it off of Trade Me three years ago or something, and yeah, it was just cute. I'd seen something similar, Patriot Screamer, which I didn't have at the time, and this sort of reminded me a little bit of it, and yeah, I just thought it was cute. I love this classic town and stuff, and 4-star builds for vehicles, and yeah, this is one of my favourites, along with many others. It's there's so many cool ones, it's hard to pick a favourite, but yeah, this is up there in the group of favourites at the top. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you like that one. Please comment, hit the like button, and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll subscribe back if you do. And keep watching for more reviews. Thanks, bye.